Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now centers on a core premise that most human suffering stems from being trapped in the mind, ruminating on the past or worrying about the future, rather than experiencing the present moment. One of the key lessons in the book is you are not your mind. Most people identify completely with the continuous stream of thoughts, opinion, and inner dialogue in their heads. The book teaches you are not the voice in your head. You are the observer listening to that voice. Step back and watch your thoughts without judgment. This creates space between you and your emotional reactions. Another life lesson from the book is resistance creates suffering. Suffering happens when your mind resists what is. Example, it shouldn't be raining, or she shouldn't have said that. We need to learn that the present moment is always as it is. Resisting it changes nothing except your internal peace. Another valuable lesson is the ego thrives on comparison and identification. The ego builds its sense of self through external things, status, possessions, achievements, appearance, or past stories. Because these things are temporary, the ego lives in constant fear of losing them. We need to detach our self-worth from external labels. When you stop defining yourself purely by your role, job, or achievements, you gain a deep, unshakable sense of inner stability. Always say yes to the present moment.